Ever woken up in a cold sweat, heart pounding, wondering where your Tangem wallet is? Or perhaps you've experienced the gut-wrenching feeling of realizing it's simply gone. We all hope it never happens, but let's face it, the fear of losing your crypto hardware wallet is very real. Today, we're going to dive deep into exactly what happens if you lose your Tangem wallet, and more importantly, how you can minimize the damage and potentially recover your digital assets. When you first set up your Tangem wallet, you're prompted to create a backup. This isn't just a suggestion, it's absolutely crucial. Your Tangem wallet itself doesn't store your cryptocurrency. Instead, it holds your private keys, which are the cryptographic signatures that prove you own your crypto on the blockchain. Think of it like this: your Tangem card is the key, and your crypto is in a safe deposit box at a bank. If you lose the key, the money is still in the bank, but you can't access it without a new key. So, if you lose one Tangem card and you have a backup set, you're generally okay. That backup set, consisting of 2 or more cards, allows you to regenerate access to your private keys and, consequently, your funds. You'd simply use one of your remaining backup cards to access your wallet and either transfer your funds to a new Tangem card or set of cards, or to another wallet entirely. The key here is having that backup. But what if you lose all of your Tangem cards, including your backup set? This is where the situation becomes much more serious. If you've lost all the cards associated with your wallet, and you haven't written down your seed phrase, which Tangem wallets typically don't provide in the traditional sense, relying instead on the card-based backup, then accessing your funds becomes incredibly difficult, if not impossible. The private keys, your access to your crypto, are gone with the cards. This scenario underscores the paramount importance of the initial backup process and ensuring your backup cards are stored securely in a separate, safe location. Never keep all your cards in one place. Now, let's consider the security implications if a lost Tangem wallet falls into the wrong hands. Tangem wallets are designed with robust security features. They don't have screens or buttons, making them resistant to many common hacks. To access the funds on a lost Tangem card, someone would need to know your access code. If your access code is strong and unique, it would be extremely difficult for an unauthorized person to brute force their way in. However, if your access code is weak or easily guessable, you could be at risk. This highlights the importance of choosing a complex and memorable access code. Furthermore, Tangem implements a unique seed generation and encryption process. Unlike other hardware wallets that provide a 12 or 24-word seed phrase, Tangem's private keys are generated directly on the card during activation and are never exposed. This is a significant security advantage, but it also means that if all your cards are lost, there is no traditional seed phrase to fall back on for recovery. Your recovery mechanism is your backup card set. So, the takeaway is clear. While losing a single Tangem card can be an inconvenience, losing your entire set without a proper backup strategy can lead to permanent loss of your digital assets. The Tangem system is incredibly secure, but that security is built around the integrity and proper storage of your cards. Always activate your backup cards, store them in physically separate and secure locations, and use strong, unique access codes. Treat your Tangem cards with the same care you would cash or valuable jewelry, because in the world of crypto, they are your keys to your digital wealth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.